Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can add text into your projects in CapCut PC version. So all you have to do now, open your CapCut PC version. If you're a new user, of course this is a basic tutorial for you. A new user for CapCut PC, you can add text in your project. For example, you can import your a project, or you can use stock material from library to practice. So let's try this one. Drag the material here, so you can add text by click on text feature at the top of your screen here. So there is an AI generated create amazing text effect with simple prompts, but also you can add effect on your text template, auto caption, local caption, but you have to notice there is a pro edition if you use the auto caption. Let's try the basic one. You can add a default text here, so you can write anything. For example, you can write a clouds. So here you can adjust the font size with this a number, or just try to drag the font like this. Also you can use pattern, bold, underline, or italic. And also to adjust in a whole video, you can drag the bar here like this. So this is a basic how you can add text in a CapCut PC. And also if you want to add the colors, you can block your text first, and you can change the color in here. Like this. And also you can add a animation, also a background, a glow like this, the intensity. So feel free to try, be creative to use this text feature. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.